If you want to accept online payments directly from your invoices, connecting Stripe to Xero is a great solution. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to integrate Stripe with Xero step by step, even if you have zero experience. This allows your customers to pay invoices online using cards, making the payment process faster and more convenient. To get started, log in to your Xero account and go to the Settings menu. From there, select Payment Services. This is where you can connect payment gateways like Stripe. Next, click on Add Payment Service and choose Stripe from the list. You will be redirected to the Stripe login page. If you already have a Stripe account, enter your credentials and continue. If not, you can create a new account during this process. After logging in, you will be asked to authorize the connection between Stripe and Xero. Grant the required permissions so both platforms can communicate securely. Once connected, go back to Xero and configure payment settings. Choose which bank account should receive the payments and enable Stripe as a payment option for your invoices. Now, update your invoice settings. Go to Invoice Templates or Branding Themes and enable online payment options. This ensures that your customers will see a Pay Now button on the invoices you send. After setup, create a test invoice and send it to yourself or a test customer. Open the invoice and check if the payment option is shown correctly. Complete a test payment to confirm everything is working properly. With Stripe connected, payments made by customers will automatically sync with Xero, and invoices will be marked as paid once the transaction is successful. In short, connecting Stripe to Xero involves adding Stripe as a payment service, authorizing the connection, enabling it on invoices, and testing the setup. Now that you understand the process, connect Stripe to Xero and start receiving payments faster and more efficiently. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.